Hi guys, welcome back to Bunny Brook Designs. So, I got my bargain bead box in and I thought we'd do an unboxing. This month's theme is a galaxy of gems, and so some of the beads that they have here, if you notice that they're listed, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter. So they've got all of the different space themes. So I'm pretty excited to see what these are, and I have not opened them, so we're going to be excited together. I have kind of seen some previews of some unboxings, but I figured we could look at them together. And I'm going to set these aside here, and they're just falling all over the place. And I may not do these in order. I think I'm just going to I'll try to do them in order according to the numbers. So number 1 is 24 karat gold plated brass sun links, 4 pieces. I like the fact that we've been getting in the bead boxes, we've been getting 24 karat and 18 karat. So those are the sun links. Those are cute. I can see those in bracelets, necklaces, maybe a necklace with some chain. Next we have 7 inches, 6mm Largvikite Labradorite round beads. And let me see if I can find those. They're 6mm Largvikite. I don't even know how to pronounce that. So these are Labradorite, and I don't know if you can see them. They kind of shimmer in the right light. So those are kind of gray. I like those. So these are symbols of Mercury according to the chart. And I do a lot of I do have some bracelets that are solar system bracelets that I had made on my own. So this is kind of fun. Next we have 8mm top quality crackle glass beads in amber, and they're representative of Venus. So that's what these are. And of course we've seen these in other colors before. It's just the cracked glass. I like these. Those are very pretty. Also reminds me of the sun. Caramel. But yeah, so those are representative of Venus, and I'm putting them back in because I have got to get through some others first before I start on these. Probably this weekend. Next we have 8mm lapis and chrysocolla, and those are, let me see if I can find them. It's supposed to symbolize Earth. They're dyed round beads. I have some of these. I've seen them before. They're very pretty. They do remind me of Earth, of the blue and green of our planet. Maybe not so much that one, but the blues, the ones with the blue and the green. So yeah, so those are nice. So that is Earth. And then we have 8mm carnelian dyed heated round beads for representative of Mars. And those are very pretty. I like those. So Mars, the red planet. And then we have 10mm striped agate dyed heated beads for Jupiter. Let me see if I can find those. Oh, I'm sorry. These were the Jupiter. Oh, I grabbed the wrong bag. These are Mars, red planet. Yep, that would be why I couldn't find the 10mm, because those were the 10 mil. So that's Mars. These are Jupiter. Okay, and then we have Tiger Skin Jasper representing Saturn. So they have little striations on them. Oh, I like that one. So I don't know if you can see the striations on those very well, but I really like those. Okay, and that is Saturn also. And then we have, if I can find them, .24 karat gold plated brass beads, bead frames, and that is Saturn's rings. So, and these are 10 mil, so these are going to go around Saturn. These can be a pain to get the bead and the wire through this and the bead at the same time. I won't lie to you, I've used them before and they are a pain. But they look really cool once they're on. Next we have aqua quartz dyed round beads, and those are Uranus. And so pretty smoky blue. I'm really loving the galaxy theme. I really like this. I think we're going to have some fun with this and makes a lot of space jewelry. Next we have 8mm Sodalite beads for Neptune. So that would be these. And I like Sodalite. I use those in my chakra jewelry as well. Next we have 3mm Labradorite or moonstone beads. So these look like they're Labradorite. And those are representative of the moon and Pluto. Those are very pretty. They've got, the Labradorite has flecks of blue in them. So I don't know if you can see that on camera very well, but if you turn it to the light, every now and then you'll get a flash of blue. I really like Labradorite for that because it's gray most of the time, but then if you turn it just right, you get a flash of blue. And then we have lava stones plated, and these are representative of the asteroid belt. So those are lava stones, and they've got like a matte gold plate on them. I can see those looking like little asteroids. That is cute. And then we have 6mm blue goldstone. And these are representative of outer space. Now I've used these also in outer space bracelets that I've made, because I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if I can get that on camera real well. Let me see. Am I getting that on camera? If you can see the flashes of sparkle in that. Let's see if I can get my light adjusted here. Yeah, so yeah, you can see little flashes in there of the sparkles. I love the blue goldstone. This is actually a lot darker than what I'm used to for blue goldstone. So yeah, so that definitely looks like outer space. That's more black than blue, but yes, I'm liking that. And then we have Sodalite and brass pendant. This is cute. It's just a triangle with gold plating on it. I like that. I think I can make a really fun necklace with that. Next we have 24 karat gold brass star charm link mix. So that's what these are. And there's 12 pieces of these. So these are just little stars, and some of them are stuck together. So I'm going to have to be... Oh, there we go. They separated. So they look like they've got little facets on one side. So the one side has little facets. The other side is smooth. I can see doing little dangles, little drops with those. Those are going to be fun. Fun to play with. Woo. And they're tiny. Then we have brass magnetic clasps with stainless steel charms. And I'm assuming that's what this is. Yes. So these are magnetic clasps, and they have charms on each side. So that's cute. So then you can just attach your bracelet to the jump rings. Although the metal's going to stick to the... you're going to have a hard time keeping those apart. But at any rate, those are adorable. I like those. So they got a moon and a star on that. I can see some bracelets in our future. Next we have 4mm spacer beads. And so these are just little gold spacer beads. And there's 50 pieces in there, so there's a lot of spacer beads. Next we have 4mm crystal faceted bicomb beads in metallic blue iris. So those are just beautiful. I love the iris on faceted. It just makes them sparkle that much more. And then lastly, we have one... Oops, I'm sorry. We have 1 meter stainless steel curled knurled chain. So it's got little, I don't know if you can see that on there at all. It's got little striations in there like the stars. I can see doing a bracelet with these hanging off with little jump rings. And so you get 1 meter of the chain, which this is going to be fun with the moons, the suns, the stars. I'm loving this kit. And then I have lastly, an 18 karat gold plated stainless steel Galaxy Swirl pendant. And so this is just a pendant with the swirl. Now I could see doing, like if I had some smaller of these beads, doing a drop right in front of that of all the planets. I think that would look adorable, but I don't have all of these beads in a really small, like 3mm. But we'll have to do something fun with that. So with all of that, the approximate retail value for this shipment is $104.80. I paid $20 for this, roughly 20, 21, 22, I don't know, for this kit. And I mean, you get a lot of beads. I'm enjoying it. If you haven't signed up for Bargain Bead Box, there's a link in the description. You can sign up. And, you know, I mean, you get a lot of beads in the Bargain Bead Box, and they're really nice beads. They're not plastic. They're stone. They're metal. Some of them are 18 and 24 karat gold. So like this one's 18. These are 24. So you're not getting, I mean, it's quality, you know, quality beads. And so we got all of this, and I'm loving this. I'm thinking space necklace, space earrings, you know, rings of Saturn. I can't wait to play with this. So yeah, so anyways, that's the unboxing, and I've got a lot of beading to do in the next few weeks. So watch for some videos, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.